Fridays with Fancy Nancy, and today I want to talk about kitchen decor accessories because I know I get this question a lot. What do I decorate my kitchen with? Do not decorate your kitchen with appliances that are like left out everywhere. Your Instapot, your Ninja, your air fryer, all the things, toaster. You kind of want to keep those hidden away, maybe like in cabinets, or if you have an extended pantry area, that's a great space for them. If you want your kitchen to look clean and open and inviting, you kind of want to hide those because they're so bulky. Unless you have like a really pretty mixer, obviously leave that out on your counter. But you know, those kind of air fryers and things, you kind of want to keep those hidden in your blender, all those things. So I'm going to provide an alternate idea for you to decorate your kitchen. I'm really loving bringing in natural wood tones, especially if you have like wood floors in your home or anything like that. It just kind of adds some texture. So different size boards is a great idea. A lot of times we stack them over here behind the stove, and you can stack them in different heights and levels, different colors. You can use a marble one, a wooden one, just to add like some dimension. Obviously, if you have like utensils, like the wooden spoons that you use to cook with, some metal ones, as long as they're all in the kind of the same family and they look very unified together, it looks great and very clean in the kitchen. This is actually personally one of my favorite ideas, and I actually want to go home and do this to my kitchen. These are different kind of herbs from the garden, and they have them in different kind of like little cylinder vases, but then they grouped them all together in threes, so you can do like rosemary, thyme, oregano, and keep them in your kitchen. It also makes your kitchen smell really, really good. And then a cookbook. This is a great way to display a cookbook. It's just kind of laid down like in a rack as opposed to like a cooking stand. So all these ideas are just like things that are actually functional that you would use. Obviously like clear jars of like pasta or coffee or rice, beans, all the things. Here is really pretty too, and it's kind of like a vignette set up on a marble board, so it's nothing is just kind of freestanding. This looks great as well. So you just want to keep items that you're actually using, but keep making it look clean as opposed to like bulky kind of stuff like your air fryer and your Instapot. And so I just think that this keeps this kitchen look clean and airy. You can see over here they have a fruit and vegetable kind of set up here. This is also functional. You know, you could do bananas, apples, oranges. So this just keeps your kitchen looking really, really clean. And that's Fancy Fridays for today. I hope everyone is living just fancier.